When you connect the power cord in, you get absolutely nothing. So you put the power cord in, we don't get any little charging light. So someone has definitely been in here before. Some liquid damage along here, right? So you can see certainly along here, and this capacitor doesn't look very happy at all. Replace the battery charging controller IC as well. There we go, everything temporarily put back together. Let's just plug in the charger. Yep, there we go, look at that charging symbol. Right, it is now a couple of hours later and the switch has had a chance to charge and it is all working perfect.